making a video right now. I'm at work. It is 10:36. That was 10:36. I have nothing. So I'm gonna go prep food. It's really boring. But this is the Domino's. Delicious food. So I'm prepping pineapple. I hate prepping those. Yeah, stuff. Okay. I didn't really get on here very much, but I decided just to make a video of me. This is what my view is. Very boring. Very boring. Hello. There's a ghost that lives here, just to let you know. There's a ghost. And we call him the Colonel, but he's here. I just don't know what it is. I think that's pretty much it for right now. I still have some stuff to do. Not much, because I got here at 8:30, so it's kind of cold in here. Stuff. People's drinks. There's food. Fire sauce. Ew. Yum. Okay, anyway. Just giving you a tour. This is our Domino's store, 7492. Peace.